We are often told that the trouble with modern humanity is our attempt to detach from nature. High above the world, we sit atop steel and glass towers, peering down at the vibrant life below, believing ourselves separate, above it all. But is that really the case? We imagine the earth as fragile like bubbles, rising on a pond or birds flitting through the air. But that is an illusion. The truth is, the earth is anything but fragile. Life on this planet is one of the most resilient forces in the universe. The real fragility? That would be us, transient, delicate, vulnerable. For centuries, we sought to place ourselves above nature. But science is forcing us to confront a different reality. We are not solitary beings, independent and self-contained. We are, in fact, shared, occupied an ecosystem within an ecosystem. Inside ourselves, the energy that fuels us comes from mitochondria, tiny, separate organisms that were once free-living bacteria. They have their own DNA, their own life cycle, and they are not entirely ours. Without them, we would not move, think, or even exist. And it's not just us, plants, too, owe their existence to an ancient symbiotic relationship with chloroplasts, the tiny organisms responsible for photosynthesis. So what does this mean? It means our bodies are not just us. We are a collection of species, a colony of life forms working together in ways we are only beginning to understand. And what of life itself? Despite its vast diversity, its most astonishing feature is its uniformity. The enzymes in grasses resemble those in whales. The genes of a tree whisper to those in an insect. Life, in all its forms, likely emerged from a single sparkone ancient cell, fertilized by a bolt of lightning as the young Earth cooled. We are all its descendants. The viruses that weave through our world, once feared as simple agents of disease, may instead be nature's way of sharing genes across species, a grand biological dance of adaptation and evolution. And so, we return to the biggest question: what is the Earth? Can it be seen as a living organism? No, it is too vast, too complex. But what, then, is it? The answer comes quietly. Perhaps the Earth is most like a single cell, a vast, interconnected entity, where every piece plays a role. Every part is in motion, and nothing truly stands alone. We are not separate from nature. We are nature woven into its fabric, carried by its currents, bound by its laws. The more we understand this, the more we truly see ourselves.